Subsidy Guidelines. Now that we've covered long-term care 2.0 and the 4 major care packages, are you curious about how subsidies are calculated? Let's dive in. After applying for long-term care 2.0, the subsidies you receive will depend on your financial status, general household, mid to low income. Low-income households receive full government subsidies. Middle to low-income households pay 5% to 10% out of pocket, and regular households pay 16% to 30%. Package 1. Care and Professional Services. Care services focus on daily living assistance, such as helping with eating or bathing. Each service has its own code and rate. For instance, the code BA07 for assistance with bathing and hair washing costs 325 new Taiwan dollars. If you're from a general household, your out-of-pocket expense is 16% of 325 new Taiwan dollars, which equals 52 new Taiwan dollars. For professional services such as code CB01 for nutritional care, the price for 4 sessions is 4,000 Taiwan dollars. A general household would pay 16% of that, which equals 640 new Taiwan dollars. Package 2. Transportation Services. Transportation service rates vary by region and mileage. The out-of-pocket cost for taxis is calculated as the taximeter fare times 1.2 times 30%, while the subsidy for long-term care buses covers up to 73% of the total fare. Package 3. Assistive Devices and Home Accessibility Improvements. Subsidies for assistive devices are based on the individual's care level, with different amounts depending on the device needed. For home accessibility improvements, subsidies are granted after evaluation and cost estimation by professionals. Package 4. Respite Care. Respite services and their rates include in-home respite care, 2 hours, new Taiwan dollar 770, neighborhood care per hour, new Taiwan dollar 170, small-scale multifunctional overnight respite, 6 p.m. to 8 a.m., NTD 2000, institutional care, 24 hours, NTD 2310, daycare center, full day, half day, NTD 1250, and NTD 625, respectively. If you're from a general household and use home respite care, your out-of-pocket expense would be 770 new Taiwan dollars times 16%, which equals 123 new Taiwan dollars for 2 hours. Lastly, there's a special extra service called short-term care, which can be applied for when a caregiver takes leave. The subsidy amount for individuals with long-term care levels 2 to 6 is 87,780 new Taiwan dollars, and for levels 7 to 8, it's 71,610 new Taiwan dollars. That wraps up the introduction to long-term care 2.0 subsidy amounts. If you have any further questions, feel free to call the 1966 Long-Term Care Service Hotline.